Hi, audience. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Perry the Platypus sounds with a spoon. And not any old spoon, a McDonald's McFlurry spoon. I found this in the drawer. I stuck it in my mouth, the huge, and I shook my head to see if I had something classified, and I made a sound. So I made this video. Here we go. Ready? I'm gonna stick it in side of your mouth. Good, good. And now, just shake. You'll look really strange doing it, but the result is pretty awesome. So, get ready. Don't shove it in too far back, because it won't give you a good result. But, just put it in front, like so, and shake away. Where's Harry? I don't know. Maybe he's here. Oh, okay. The reason I'm using this spoon is because it doesn't hurt your teeth. So if you use a metal spoon, it's going to damage your teeth. So don't use metal, use this.